you're walking around with either a time bomb or a life-saving device in your pocket, and you have no idea which one it is. Today, you're about to discover 10 phone features that can literally save your life, and ignoring even one of them could be the biggest mistake you ever make. Stay until the end, because Hasson has already saved people in situations that feel like movie scenes. If you think your phone is just for social media, you're gambling with your life. Let me ask you something straight. If something went wrong today, would your phone know how to save you? Let's find out. 10. Emergency SOS mode. What if you couldn't speak, but could still call for help? Emergency SOS is one of the most underrated and powerful features on your phone. With just a few presses of the side button, your phone can call emergency services, send your real-time location, alert your emergency contacts. Now, imagine this. You're walking alone. Someone is following you. Your heart is racing. No time to open apps. You press the side button 5 times. Done. Help is on the way. Real cases show people escaping kidnappings and attacks using exactly this feature. And here's the scary part. Most people have never set this up. Are you one of them? Because the next feature is even more critical. 9. Real-time location sharing. If someone knows exactly where you are, your chances of survival skyrocket. This feature lets trusted contacts track your location live. Now imagine this. You get into a rideshare, but something feels off. You share your location. If anything happens, someone knows exactly where you are without you doing anything else. And more. This has been crucial in missing person cases, accidents, and dangerous situations. Let me ask you, if you disappeared today, would anyone know where you were last? If the answer is no, you already see the problem. But don't worry. The next one can save you, even when no one can find you. 8. Medical ID on lock screen. Now it gets serious. You have an accident. You're unconscious. Your phone is in your pocket. No one knows who you are. But this feature changes everything. Medical ID lets first responders see your name, blood type, allergies, medical conditions, emergency contacts, all without unlocking your phone. This has saved people with diabetes, severe allergies, and heart conditions. Because in an emergency, seconds decide everything. Now think about this. If you passed out right now, would anyone know how to save you? If not, you're carrying a life-saving tool you've completely ignored, and the next one might keep you from getting there in the first place. 7. Emergency alerts, disasters, and dangers. You've probably heard that loud, scary alert on your phone. Most people find it annoying, but it has saved thousands of lives. It warns you about severe weather, earthquakes, wildfires, missing children, Amber Alerts in the US. Now, imagine you're asleep, and a flood starts. Your phone screams. You wake up. You get out. You survive. That's it. But here's the shocking truth. Some people turn these alerts off because they're annoying. So let me ask you, would you rather be annoyed or alive? And the next feature works even when there's no signal at all. 6. Emergency calls without signal satellite on some devices. Now we're entering real survival territory. Some modern phones can contact emergency services via satellite. No signal, no towers, no internet, nothing. Just you and the sky. Real cases have already happened. Hikers, travelers, people stranded in remote areas, injured, trapped, no way out. But their phone sent a distress signal, and rescue teams showed up. Now think about this. You're in the middle of nowhere. Something goes wrong. You have 2 options. Wait to die, or call for help using this. Which one do you want? But the next feature might stop you from ever needing rescue. 5. Crash detection. This sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Your phone can detect a serious car crash. If it senses a strong impact, it calls emergency services, sends your location, alerts your contacts, without you touching anything. Now imagine this. You're in a crash, and you're unconscious. No one saw it. No one stopped. But your phone acts for you, and that has already saved lives. Because response time becomes everything. Now the question, do you trust luck or technology that can act when you can't? And the next one can save you before anything even happens. 4. Health monitoring and heart rate tracking. Your phone or connected smartwatch can detect warning signs from your body. Irregular heart rate, sudden drops, lack of movement. There are real cases of people being warned before a heart attack. Yes, before. Now think. Your body sends signals. You ignore them. Your phone detects something and warns you. Who are you going to listen to? This isn't luxury. It's survival. But the next feature protects you from something even more silent. 3. Quick audio or video recording in dangerous situations. This can be the difference between justice and nothing. You're in a risky situation. You start recording. If something happens, there's proof. This has helped in cases of harassment, violence, illegal actions, and more. Sometimes, just knowing they're being recorded can stop an attacker. Now answer this. Are you prepared to prove what happened? Or just hope for the best? But the next one is even more powerful. 2. Remote lock and data wipe. If your phone gets stolen, you're not just losing a device. You're losing your data, your identity, your digital life. But with this feature, you can lock your phone, track it, erase everything remotely. Now, imagine a criminal with access to your personal information. That can spiral fast, very fast. But this feature shuts it down instantly. Now brace yourself, because one can save your life even when you think it's over. 1. Voice assistant in emergencies. This one is insane. You can't touch your phone. You're injured, trapped, unable to move. But you can speak. You activate your voice assistant and say, "Call 911," and that's it. This has saved people trapped in cars, under debris, and victims of attacks. No hands, just your voice. Now let me ask you something that could change everything. If you were in danger right now, could you call for help without using your hands? If not, you see the risk. Now you know your phone isn't just a device. It's a potential lifesaver, but only if you actually use it. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Most people only discover these features when it's already too late. So do this. Watch this again. Turn these features on. And send this to someone you don't want to lose. Because the next danger won't warn you. And in the next video, there's something even more disturbing happening to you every single day, and you don't even notice it.